Let's go, everyone. Today we're back with another funky fresh Lululemon product. This is the Fast and Free Run hat in size, no, for men I think, and it's one size. And this is I forgot the color, but I'll put it in the description. But a fun color hat so you can be seen when you're walking, jogging outside at night. High quality, has some reflective pieces here. I saw this reflects when you're outside at nighttime walking or jogging. So yeah, nice piece. Looks like this is okay, Velcro, that's cool. Nice piece, lightweight, seems breathable. Here's the tag. Fast and Free Run. All right, that's pretty much it. Hope we're all doing well, and I will see you at the next unboxing. Cool. Let me know what you think of this hat in the comments. See you guys later. Bye.